Years ago, I read this book, The Theory of Enough. It's very important for us to be able to define for ourselves what is enough. So I could sit down and take a piece of paper and write down what I actually need for a car. I don't need to have a Mercedes. I need to have a simple car that drives me from A and B. I need to have a house. I need to have this kind of salary. Now, after you draw that in a column, then you put alongside it what you actually have. Why is that important? This is what's called counting your blessings. The act of counting your blessing gives you a sense of gratitude that you have more than enough. By having written it down on a piece of paper, I now have a mental attitude of gratitude. There are a lot of miserable people in this world today because they don't count the blessing. They only will say, I will be happy if I have Mercedes, this kind of a salary. But if you really been able to do the exercise, you probably will say that I don't have a Mercedes, but actually I have more than what I need. So I think this idea of the theory of enough is a very important exercise in making sure that you have gratitude by counting your blessings.